Guys, every time we are seeing this chart breaking out, we are seeing a dump in the Bitcoin price. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what this chart is basically telling us and if this chart can predict the next move in the Bitcoin price action, which we might see very soon. But guys, before we are going to jump into this chart and into the Bitcoin price action, I want to ask every single one of you to scroll below this video to smash the thumbs up button, guys. That is very much appreciated. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And a quick message for all the traders out there. Below this video, I'm recommending multiple exchanges where you can trade Bitcoin with or without leverage. And if you sign up on one of these platforms using my affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. And right now, you can get up to $12,700 in bonuses on the exchanges down below this video. And below this video you can find the links to Will Portal and the links to my Twitter account, which are very important. Then guys, let's jump into this chart. First of all, what is this chart? What is this for strange blue line right here? Well, this is the fixed chart, and the fixed chart is the volatility index on the S&P 500. And what this chart is basically telling us is that whenever this chart is increasing, the volatility increases on the S&P 500. And whenever this chart is decreasing, the volatility is decreasing on the S&P 500. And now you're going to ask me, of course, well, what does this fixed chart has to do with Bitcoin? Well, first of all, guys, normally when volatility increases, when we are seeing a breakout in volatility, that comes along with a drop in the S&P 500. I can show you that, guys, quickly by overlaying the S&P 500 right here on a new price scale with a orange, line right here. So the orange line is the S&P 500, the blue line is the fixed, the volatility index. What we can see right here, the volatility index is coming down. The price of the S&P 500 goes up. The moment we are seeing a breakout, bam, we are seeing the price of S&P 500 going down. Right here as well, we got a breakout, bam, price of S&P 500 is going down. Right here as well, we get a breakout to the upside, price of the S&P 500 is going down. This is called a inverse correlation, which basically means that when the fix is going up, S&P 500 is going down, and vice versa, of course, the other way around as well. Now, the interesting thing is that the S&P 500 is very correlated still with the Bitcoin price. So this also works with Bitcoin. So when we bring out the Bitcoin chart, if I overlay the Bitcoin chart right here with a new price scale, then we can basically see that Bitcoin is already in a downtrend for quite some time. And that we can also see right here that every time the fix broke out recently, the declining resistance, Bitcoin had a drop. Right here we had it as well. Fix is breaking out. Orange line is Bitcoin's price. We have a drop right here as well. We're breaking out to the upside with the fix. Bitcoin's price get a drop. This was not a significant drop, but at least after the breakout, the price went down. So this is very interesting. Why? Because right now we are seeing a potential breakout on the fix again. Could that potentially mean that Bitcoin is going to see another drop? Well, yes, that could definitely mean that Bitcoin is going to see another drop. Is this already a confirmation? Well, in my opinion, is not yet a confirmation. I want to show you what I'm looking at Bitcoin right now. So therefore, we are going to the Bitcoin chart. And let's take the Gemini chart. Or do we have that? Yeah, let's take that one. Let me change the bot or change the pattern right here. And let's get rid of the other Bitstamp chart right here. What we basically see with Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is in a downtrend, but we are seeing the first signs of a potential reversal, right? We get a downtrend, we get consolidation, kind of bear flag formation, and then we break out to the downside. We get another kind of bear flag formation, break out to the downside. And what we are seeing right now is that we have something similar. We also have kind of a bear flag formation. Bitcoin is in a shorter term time frame uptrend. We are creating higher lows and higher highs. That is a yeah, is a short-term time frame uptrend. Now, let me remove these drawings again, but let me redraw that bearish divergence for you of that bearish bear flag right here, potential bear flag. And what I would want to do right now is I want to bring out some indicators. First indicator I want to bring out is the relative strength index. Another indicator what I want to bring out is the MACD, because both of them are actually quite important for what we are seeing right now with Bitcoin. Let me maybe make that line a little bit bigger and get rid of that moving average. And yes, what we can see right here is that the price of Bitcoin is basically consolidating, slightly going upwards or moving generally sideways right here, but trending slightly up. But what we are seeing in the momentum indicators is that we have these hidden bearish divergences, which means that the momentum indicators already surpassed the previous highs. Like here, we already surpassed the previous high. Right here as well, we surpassed that previous high. But we are not seeing that in the price. We didn't surpass that previous high. So that is called a hidden bearish divergence. Also, when we are zooming in on the daily time frame right here, we're zooming a little bit in on the chart, we also see that the relative strength index recently made a lower low or lower high. If we look right here, we can see that we formed a high right there, we made a lower high, but in the price we did the opposite. In the price we actually formed a higher high, which is also a regular bearish divergence. So we got the price in a macro downtrend, forming a hidden bearish divergence and a regular bearish divergence, together with a potential breakout of the volatility index, which could be one of the first indicators that we are going to see Bitcoin to see visit lower levels. That's also why I'm creating this video, guys, because I want everybody to be aware of that. But it's very important as well, guys. I don't want anybody to panic because of these signals, because there's no need to panic. There's just a very easy way to determine if Bitcoin can remain bullish or not, and that is on the weekly time frame. If we go to the weekly time frame, and I want to bring out a moving average, and most of you guys will know which moving average that is. That is the 200-week moving average. Let's make that a yellow line, and let's zoom in right now. What we can see is that Bitcoin is basically broke above the 200-week moving average. Let me get rid of the bear flag formation. We broke above the 200-week moving average, that yellow line, which is at 22.8k roughly. So far we are holding above this level. We got a weekly close. That is quite a good sign, I have to say. Because this could be the start of a major rally, right? Like the last time we saw something like this, we closed below the 200-week, we closed back above the 200-week, we got a massive rally. I'm not saying we are going to see something similar, but at least we could see a nice spike in the Bitcoin price, as long, and that is very important, as long as we can hold above this level on the weekly time frame. So if we do get a close back below the 200-week moving average, that would be definitely bearish and could show us that Bitcoin might be in to see lower levels. And like I said in the first part of this video, most likely one of the first signs that we are seeing right now is potentially the fixed chart on the daily time frame, because we are seeing a potential breakout. It's not yet confirmed, the day still needs to end, but if this one is going to be confirmed, most likely we will see some downside on the S&P 500, which most likely can as well drag the price of Bitcoin down. And something else I want to show you guys, which is what is also quite interesting, is that we have a clear uptrend right here on the fix where we bounced from. So right now as well, we have a clear resistance, that is this green zone right here, which I've been drawing, and we have these support levels. It's like a rough support. I can also redraw it slightly, but if we take these line charts, it's always a little bit, it's never that exact. We can also see it right here. It's like a rough support, but we are bouncing from that support, which means that with a bounce breaking this one confirmed later today, could be an early signal that we might see some more downside for Bitcoin. But it's very important that we first lose that level of 22.8k, as that is the most significant level right now below us, acting as support. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, make sure to smash up that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe down below, guys. All of your support is helping to push this video to as much people as possible. And if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, I'm recommending 3 exchanges down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges, you can get an additional bonus. And right now on Bybit, you can get a bonus of $4,500 on the Femex platform, a $1,200 bonus, and on the Prime XPT platform, a $7,000 bonus. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find all of my affiliate links down below this video. Then guys, I want to wish all of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see all of you in the next video.